How to order items on Shein. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. For this, you have to go ahead and open up your Shein application. Make sure that your application is up to date. Log in to your account of Shein. Now once you are logged in, to order up items on Shein, you can select on any of the item displayed to you or even search for the item you are looking for. For an example, I've selected this concealer. Now when you are shopping for your concealer or any makeup product, you have to select your shade and the quantity of the makeup product that you want. Then select Add to Cart once you are done with the selection. Now to check out, select your cart option. To preview your order, just go ahead and tap on your order. Now you can edit over here. If not, select Checkout option at the bottom. Before that, you have to add your shipping address, so go ahead and do that. Once you have successfully entered your shipping address, now select your shipping method. Select your payment method. If you select credit or debit card, you will have to link a card. Now, if you have any coupon, select Apply Coupon and add the coupon in this dialog box. If you have a gift card, select gift card and enter the card number and PIN. When you use a coupon or a gift card, you will see substantial discount on your order. Once you are done, just tap on Place Order, and it will notify when your item will be shipped to your door address. Isn't it simple? And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.